Okay, well, I'm here on the FRG7700, as you can see. Good old communications receiver from Yaesu. Really nice bit of kit. I've done the caps on the power supply board, main board. I've just got this last one to go, which is a whopping great 6800 at 50 volts. D2 there, which is a Zener, 4.7 volt Zener. It's only reading 4.3. I have replaced these on every board of these I've done, really, just to give it a bit more stable voltage. So I've done that one. So all I've got to do now is stick C1 in, and then I can power it up and we can have a look. Okay, well, that's the other cap done. That's not going to focus now. There we are. That's the main filter cap, and you'll see I've secured it in place with some hot glue as well. Reason for that really was that the original one had a third leg, so I've just made this real solid by adding a bit of hot glue to it. Should stop it moving about, because it will get hot in this area. So there we are. I've got to install that back in the board now, and hopefully, fingers crossed, all our voltages will be correct. Thanks for watching.